Lasers now offers the ability to submit select forms electronically through myLASERS. Once you have logged into your myLASERS account, click the eForms menu item. You will see the list of forms available to submit. Click the form you wish to complete. You will see the number of required fields remaining for the selected form in the top right of the screen. You can click the Start button on the screen to go to the next required field, or just scroll down. Required fields are designated by a red asterisk. Complete each required field. Some sections allow you to make multiple selections. Once you have completed all required fields, click in the signature field to sign the form. Enter your name, then click the Apply button. You must click the checkbox to agree to the terms of use and consumer disclosure in order to submit your eForm. Click the hyperlinks to read the full information. Once you check the checkbox, click the Click to Sign button, which will submit your eForm to Lasers. You will receive confirmation on the screen that the eForm was sent to Lasers successfully. You will now see a Download Form button next to the name of the form you submitted. Click the Download Form button to save a copy of your eForm for your records. Lasers will begin processing your form. Additional eForms will be added in the future.